how to put transitions in Clipchamp. Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Clipchamp. And as you can see right now, I am currently editing a video over here, and I would like to add a transition. Now there are two ways to add a transition to your videos. Either by looking over here on the left side, you would be able to see transitions option over here. You can simply click this and you would be able to choose from different options such as crossfade, digital glitch, TV interface, and many more. Now, as you can see, there is a logo over here, which means this specific content requires an upgrade before you would be able to use them. Now, the other way to add a transition is simply go over on the two videos that you have cut and hover your mouse on the middle, and you would be able to see this option over here, which would allow you to add a transition. Now, we're simply going to choose a transition that we're going to use. For example, liquid streak over here, we're going to drag it between our clips, and just like that you would be able to add a transition between your clips. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.